Hi, my name is Monica Yearwood, and I am on day 1 of my goat milk fast. And today I wanted to share some really powerful information with you that can help you if you're about to go on a fast. Whenever I customize detox programs and cleanse programs for my clients, there is inevitably a fair amount of anxiety that can come out regarding if it's the right time to go on a fast, if they're going to be able to successfully complete the fast. And so I've found in my over 10 years of experience in designing customized fasting and detox programs for my clients that there are 2 important things that you must do when you're about to embark on a fast that can greatly increase your odds of success. And so those 2 things are being prepared and also being super clear about what your intention is and why you're doing the cleanse itself. So being prepared. A lot of times my clients are like, well, I don't know, I've got this event coming up, I've got this thing happening, I just don't know if this is the right time. However, there is never the right time to do a program like this. There's never a set period of days where everything's perfect and it's gonna make it super easy for you to go on something that's this restrictive. So for example, even for myself, today it's Labor Day, so I'm going to a family's house for the day. And on Wednesday, I'm going to be on an airplane flying out of state. So it's just not really, a very perfect time, but I'm going to be prepared. So for today, for example, I'm going to bring some goat milk kefir on the fast that I've created for myself. I am doing raw goat milk, but I'm also doing goat milk kefir. And so the kefir will travel well. The raw goat milk will not travel well. It's just not a good idea to keep that in the car or something like that. So the raw goat milk kefir will travel well, and that's what I'll be drinking today at my family event. And on Wednesday, when I travel, I'll be doing the same. The second thing is what your intention is. So the intention, I think, is actually the most important preparatory practice that a person should do when they're going to do a fast. So there are many reasons or many intentions a person could have in doing a fast. Prevention, disease prevention is a big one. So fasting is, I think, probably one of the most powerful natural healers that we have available to us on the planet, and has been clinically and scientifically proven to extend the life of practically everything from microbial species to fungi to monkeys and to human beings. It reverses the impacts of chronic stress on the body. It balances blood sugar, enhances metabolism, helps you to lose and keep off weight, and has many different health denoting properties to it. But you can also use fasting to accelerate healing and to aid disease reversal. And you can also fast for emotional reasons and mental reasons as well. So sitting down at the beginning of your cleanse and getting super clear about what you want to see happen from this fast is really important. Do you want to clear a skin issue? Do you want to empower yourself? Do you want to develop mental discipline? Do you want to let something go? Do you want to lose a certain amount of weight? Do you want to use it to commit to a healthier lifestyle and program? So whatever your intention is, to take a few moments at the beginning and even write it down, post it somewhere where you can see it, because you're going to be challenged. Your mind is going to tell you sometimes that you're hungry and that you should eat. Your mind's going to sort of sneak in and try to make excuses for you. And so you want to be able to have your intention with you to look back at and get connected with. And I suggest that you revisit your intention regularly, if not at least once a day, preferably in the morning when you're doing your visualization exercises and your meditation program, and setting your intention for your day, thinking about what you've got going on, if that's, going through your goals list and the things that you have to accomplish for your day. Include your intention in that visualization process, and what it is that you want to see happen and why you're gifting yourself and your body with this amazing process and healing for yourself. So as I said, I'm on day 1 of my goat milk fast. I don't really have too much to report as of this point because it's so early and at the beginning, but I'll be posting and sharing my journey regularly. I hope that this information aids you on your path. And again, if you're interested in working with me, I have an amazing coaching program right now that's specifically for people who are dealing with lifestyle or stress-related diseases. And if you would like more information about that program, please click the link below and fill out an application for a free consultation with me. Thank you so much, and I hope that you're well.